Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Taco Bell lava sauce. Cue the music. Welcome back and thanks so much for watching. Like I said, we are showing you how to make Taco Bell lava sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got 1 full packet of powdered cheese mix. You can grab that from any box of mac and cheese. 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1½ cups of mayonnaise, 2 1/4 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 1½ teaspoons of smoked paprika, 3/4 teaspoons of granulated sugar, 3/4 teaspoons of cumin, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 3/4 teaspoons of black pepper, 3/4 teaspoons of garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Just to note, the black pepper and salt are not in the photo of the ingredients, just so you know. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, get yourself a bowl big enough for all your ingredients. We're just going to add our water and our vinegar into the big bowl. And then we're going to add our cheese sauce. And we're going to make a paste out of that. Make sure it's very well mixed before you add the other ingredients. Alright, then we can add our salt and pepper, our paprika, cumin, sugar, garlic, onion powder, cayenne, and your hot sauce. Mix that all up real well. Then we're going to add all the mayonnaise. Mix that up really, really well. Alright, there's your lava sauce. We're going to let that sit in the fridge for about an hour to get chilled all the way through. And then we're going to have a photo shoot and talk more about it. Of it looks pretty good, nice and thick. You can see all those blend of seasonings and everything in there. Good color. So let's give it a taste. Very creamy, very cheesy. You can taste the cumin, salt and pepper in there, salt bringing out a lot of that flavor. The garlic, the heat from the cayenne and the paprika and the hot sauce. You can adjust this any way you want to. I remember when the lava menu came out back in the 2013 or 2008. You had the nachos and the burrito and the taco with the red shell and all that, but I wasn't a big fan. I was always a big fan of the 7-layer burrito, and then later on the Dorito burrito. I love that one, or the Dorito taco. But this is pretty good. This is really good. I don't remember it well, but this tastes pretty dang good. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget the recipe is at my website at www.itsonlyfood.biz, www.itsonlyfood.biz. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.